When exploring Google Analytics for acquisition reports, you will likely encounter traffic from the cross-network channel. But what is the cross-network channel in Google Analytics 4, and how is this useful? Think of the cross-network channel as traffic coming from Google's different ad platforms, all bundled into one place. It shows you traffic from places like Google Discover, Performance Max campaigns, and shopping campaigns all at once. This is different from your regular channels because these campaigns can appear in multiple places simultaneously, like Google Display Network, Gmail, and even YouTube. If you're running Performance Max or shopping campaigns, this is where that traffic lives in GA4. But that's not the whole story. We must understand how Google Analytics groups the other traffic sources to see how the cross-network is really useful. Let's start with Google Shopping. When someone clicks on one of your Google Shopping listings, that traffic is categorized as paid shopping. However, if the user comes from sponsored listings on the Google SERP, ads on YouTube, or a Google partner website, Google Analytics groups that data into the paid search channel. If you're running video ads on YouTube, GA4 groups this traffic into the paid video channel. Pretty simple, right? The same goes for the display ads. Anytime someone clicks those banners across Google's network, you will see that traffic pop up in your display channel. Whether it's Facebook, X, or Instagram, if it's paid social, GA4 bundles it into the paid social channel. Then there's the cross-network, which shows all your traffic from Google Discover, Performance Max, and Smart Shopping in one place. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing. Our goal at SEO Testing is to save you time so you spend less time pulling data into Excel and more time thinking about how to get more traffic from Google. Now, back to the video. While Google Analytics aims to simplify reporting through channel grouping, it introduces some data attribution challenges for marketers. First, if you're running campaigns across different networks, one may be doing great and another may be losing money. But since everything's lumped together in GA4, it may be hard to see the winner or the loser. This makes it difficult for marketers to evaluate each ad's network performance and effectiveness. Second, Google Analytics relies on a data-driven attribution model that assigns credit across touchpoints based on an algorithm. However, the interaction between the different networks makes it hard to determine each network's individual contribution accurately. This attribution challenge gets even messier when it's time to adjust your campaigns. Imagine you want to adjust the budget. When all your network data is mixed, you are stuck making changes based on incomplete information. The challenge intensifies when managing multiple campaigns, particularly for large companies with substantial marketing budgets. With various networks and campaigns running simultaneously, GA4's cross-network channel aggregates all this data into one place. Beyond the basic network attribution issues, it becomes practically impossible to know individual campaign performance and measure their specific contributions to the bottom line. Fortunately, there are solutions to tackle these attribution challenges. One of the first things you can do is customize your channel groupings to reflect how your business works. This will allow you to organize data in ways that make sense for your company, giving you insights that truly matter. The source platform dimension in GA4 is also useful in showing you the complete picture of where traffic comes from. You can break down the performance for each platform separately and see which ones brings you the most valuable traffic. Another option is to use additional analytics tools alongside Google Analytics, which can provide a more comprehensive view of your marketing performance. Some options include CRM systems, attribution software, and business intelligence platforms. Testing different attribution models can also show you how credit is spread across your marketing touchpoints. Last click, first click, linear, and time decay models can be used to find what best matches your business goals and customer journey. This will provide more accurate attribution and help you put resources where they'll have the most impact. While implementing these solutions will significantly improve your attribution accuracy, the next step is leveraging GA4's ability to provide a complete view when properly configured. This is where cross-channel groupings is beneficial. Cross-channel grouping in G4 combines data from various channels, including Google Discover, Performance Max, and shopping campaigns into one view. This unified approach shows you the total effect of your marketing across platforms without jumping between different reports. Instead of checking separate dashboards for Display Network, Discover, Gmail, and YouTube campaigns, you get a clear picture of how each platform performs together. This makes it easier to spot which combinations work best and adjust your strategy accordingly. This combined data reveals patterns in how users move between platforms during their journey. You might notice that people who see your display ads end up converting through YouTube, or discover valuable platform combinations you wouldn't catch by looking at each channel separately. With cross-channel grouping, each platform's contribution becomes more evident when viewed as part of the whole marketing picture. Rather than trying to figure out if Display Network outperforms Gmail in isolation, you can see how they work together to drive results. And this complete view lets you make smarter decisions. Now, if you want to make the most out of your Google Search Console data, use SEO testing to set up SEO tests and know what changes to your site increase traffic. We also allow Google Analytics for event tracking during SEO tests, giving you insight into user interactions. Check the link in the description for a 14-day free trial. Thanks for watching.